What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And Kith's been on fire these last couple of weeks. Kith for Batman, Kith for BMW. Now we got Kith for Sesame Street, man. And whenever anybody does a Sesame Street collab at all, I always go with Elmo first. But this Grover joint was dope, man. So we're going to get into that. The Kith for Sesame Street plus SpongeBob CPFM Uniglow. I got the hoodie for me. I think I got my son that SpongeBob shirt. We're going to check the material on this. And also some pieces that I brought from the Kithmas situation. Got the Grinch. Got some Christmas sweater t-shirt looking joint. We're going to get into it. Let's get it. Yes, sir. So I told you, whenever Sesame Street does any kind of collab, I look for Elmo. Elmo's the most popular. I mean, I guess you could go back and forth with Big Bird. Y'all let me know in the comment section below which one more popular. But this one is the Elmo tee. And it reads, Kith Sesame Street Elmo. And it's in a black colorway. It only came in a black colorway. It was like no mixed colors. Whatever color was it what it was, it was. It wasn't no black or white option. So, of course, you get that great Kith material made in Peru. It's not really that washed denim, like the faded out denim. And they got a huge picture of Elmo down there, super dope. Kith box logo sits right at the top. The tag, whenever Kith does a 4, they always give that brand some dope love on the tag. So they got that Sesame Street tag there. Elmo, he pops out a little bit. Dope look, man. The material, man. So when it comes to Kith shirts, I always go true to size to me, which is a medium, and it fits perfect. So I would encourage you to go true to size too. But this is the Elmo tee right here. $70. Next is the Grover tee. And I don't know if Grover's that popular, but when you see this tee, you see why I copped it. So it reads Kith Sesame Street Super Grover. And there was a few Grover tees. This one caught my eye, man. Check this bad boy out in that nice blue. And look at Grover, man. Looking like a superhero, man. Dope look, man. Very, very dope look. I like this. Same good material. Grover really pops out on this, man. He looks like a superhero. Got your Kith logo right by his nose. Nice superhero look all the way around the shirt. Like you see the cape, it goes all the way around the shirt. This is a super dope look. $70 also. Now, as y'all know, I got early access, so I was able to look and see what I wanted to get. This tee right here, I did not see until it dropped. And I had to get it once I saw it, man. So vibrant, so colorful. So it reads, Kith Sesame Street Group Hug. And this is a white tee. Check it out. Look at that, man. That pops, guys. Everybody in the group picture, a little family photo. This one pops, guys. Black Kith logo at the top. I'm about to say it again. This color is vibrant, man. It really pops. I like this one. $70 also. Now on to the Kithmas. This right here is the Kith Grinch Ornament Vintage. And once I saw like this sandy off-white color, I was like, I gotta get this shirt, man. So here we go. Boom. I mean, you could really do like the Grinch any different. Supreme and Kith usually spot on when they do it. But the Grinch is there. And it's a perfect match with any Kobe. Whether you got the reverse or the regular joint. But I like it. The sand color was really made me catch my eye. Again with the tag, like I told you. You see it say Grinch on the tag with the Kith. Whatever's the collab, that's what they're going to give you, man. So you got the Grinch mad as always. Holding the Kith ornament. Dope look, man. I mean, Grinch. This tee here I copped because I was like, how did they make sweater material on a t-shirt? So it had me very, very like curious. It reads Kith Miss Needlepoint. Let's check this out. Yes, sir. So, I guess this is a needlepoint. You know, I don't make clothes, but it looks like the ugly Christmas sweater material, but it's on a black tee. Super dope. And it reads Merry Kithmas. The Kith logo is fire at the bottom, y'all. Very, very fire. I like this, man. I think this was $80 for this tee, if I can't remember. But yeah, man. That's all the Kith stuff I did this week. Besides Kith, I did some Supreme box logos, Supreme regular beanies.
A few moments later.
But here is the CPFM SpongeBob hoodie. And Uniglow makes great material. CPFM makes great graphics. So when you put that together, you just know you're gonna get some dope stuff. There go the price there, $49.90, I believe. They go to tag CPFM. Oh yeah, great material, guys. I feel it off rip. Pause. So I don't know what you call this one, but this one has everybody on it. You know, CPFM is known for their double eye joint. So everybody got double eyes. We seen that ironically with Cookie Monster a couple of years ago with well, that wasn't CPFM, that was Cause. Sorry, that was Cause and Cookie Monster. Yeah, they go the tags, guys, the UT tags, the tags that come with. Great material, I could tell you that, man. Very thick, made for the winter. Got some kind of like netting material in here. Long john material in there. So very, very warm and comfortable. I don't know what to think about it. It reads SpongeBob SquarePants Cactus Plant Flea Market. Well, that kind of sums it up, right? Good material though, guys. Grover T hard, man. Yeah, fam. So that was just like, I guess everything in one. Kith for Sesame, Kith Miss, Kith for the Grinch, SpongeBob SquarePants, Supreme, whole bunch of stuff, man. I hope y'all enjoyed it, man. Again, you need help with sizing or trying to secure anything, hit me up, man. We'll find it together. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.